Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp. This is the Introduction to CSS for Developers course, and we're about to start a new section on the box model. The box model is about margins and padding and borders. And once we have that, we'll be able to play with our design a lot and make it look a little bit cooler. And then that'll be enough box model. There's a lot you could say about the box model, and really I do want you to read all about it on the Mozilla documentation, or you could buy that gigantic CSS book from Eric Meyer, which is I highly recommend it. It's wonderful. But I just want to cover the basics because my goal with Developer On-Ramp is to tear through a bunch of material real quickly so that you get an on-ramp, a basic understanding of everything, so you know where all the pieces fit together, right? Like a puzzle, like a 30,000 foot view. So box model, 30,000 foot view of the box model, and that might be it for the CSS course for now. All right, thank you.